Hello everyone, welcome back to my second video. This is a place where a YouTuber named Twisted Honey Buns, I'll put a description down below, is the one who inspired me. So this is gonna be a tutorial on how to make iron into wrought iron, and then you can turn it into steel. But I'm looking around and there's no actual iron, so I'll just tell you how to do it. So you'll get your iron, right? Then you'll heat up your forge with charcoal. So you'll take your iron and then you'll heat it up with this. So then you'll put it on the flat rock by left clicking. Then you will get something called a bloom. So you'll grab your stone and you'll click it, and then that's how you get wrought iron. Sorry I couldn't do it, but there's no here. So I'm gonna teach you how to make wrought iron into steel. So I'm just gonna do one just for education purposes. But if you actually want to make a lot of steel, you have to get a lot. So first you want a bowl and you want some wrought iron. So you'll grab your wrought iron and put it in. First you gotta put steel. That will make a crucible with iron. Okay? Then we need this charcoal. Alright? So let's just dump it out right here. And you can actually pick up charcoal to get a charcoal piece. You only want one charcoal piece. So you'll have a crucible with iron and charcoal. Grab your clay plate, and then that's how you make a crucible. So I'm only making one just to show you how to do it, but of course if you want to make a bunch of steel, you of course want to get more crucibles, and you just want to keep repeating the process of putting wrought iron and charcoal. Every charcoal pile like these has one. So now I'll just do this and I'll heat this up. This guy says just let this guy know around here. So you have a firing forge. Of course you don't want to do what I just did. As I told you, you want to make more. So now we have a forged steel crucible. So let's just put this. And now you got some steel. See, it was pretty simple, not hard at all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. This was a short, simple tutorial.